Howdy, family and friends, and viewers from across the world. Joe Jones is back on the road, and pretty much excited. It's a blessing for me to help, a lot of people get their CDL license, and I do have a lot of videos on pre-trip, in-cab, and you can take advantage of that. That's really those are really pointers, really helpful videos, and it's gonna get you to get your CDL license. You're gonna obtain your CDL license, so they are helpful, and just go down my channel and you'll see them. And yes, pre-trip is really important, and it's a lot to remember, but once you remember all that, then you should be fine. Once you get in your truck, then you know what to do. But yes, they are important, and it's for your own safety and for everybody else's safety. Right now, with that customer getting a live load, yes, I am in the moto, still home daily, and yes, we do live loads, we do live unloads, and right now I have a 3-stopper. This is a 3-stopper at the post office here in the state of Pennsylvania. Now, I got a couple of emails. There's a lot of questions, and and I did answer a couple of them, and some of them I answer them on my videos, and there's a lot of people that's still thinking about going solo. Again, you cannot go solo on your own yet. You still have to be with a mentor. So that'll be team, of course. You guys will be taking turns. On your first 10-hour break, one takes the steering wheel, do the driving, and then once his 14-hour is due, then 14-hour, it depends on how you run, because if you do a lot of driving, you're gonna activate your 11 hours. But if you do a lot of stopping, then you will be running on your 14-hour, and that's me. I do a lot of stopping, and I always on my 14-hour. We don't constantly drive all the road miles, so it's pretty much a stop and go. Stop, get loaded, go, drop, hook, go. But yes, you will be with a mentor, and then once you're down, once you do your 3 months, then you can be on your own. You can be on your own. And it goes to a lot of companies. It goes to a lot of companies, not just Swift, not just CR England, not just GB Hunt. It's a lot of I keep saying it. There's a lot of competition out there. And there's a lot of openings. See, on the truck industry, I've seen a lot of people come and go. Like these factory jobs, they're hard to find. They are so packed, they're so loaded, and they are hard to find. And people, they won't leave their jobs. But on the trucking industry, people just intend to, do a couple months. If they don't like it, they just move on. They'll jump into the next company, and that's how it is in the trucking, industry. I'm a faithful person. I'm an old timer. I stick to the job. I earn my job. And I form a family, and I grow with the company. This is me. I don't just jump around. I got a lot of trade. Like I say, about 2 months ago, I had over 12, new drivers. And there were over 12, about 14 drivers that I trained, and we're down to 4. They all quit. They all went on. Why? Because I guess they want, they want better pay. They want more mileage. They want to be over the road. They want to do so. There's so many, there's so many, issues, and so many people that wants different things. There's a lot of trucking companies out there again, and there's a lot of competition, and they're gonna hire you. Once you have your experience in, you will get hired. You will get hired. Yes, you will. Keep me posted. Keep the faith up. And I always said it on all my videos. God is good. Thank you for watching. I'll keep you posted, and drive safe. Be safe. God bless you all. Watch your tandems, watch your mirrors. I heard a couple of people are running over with the tandems. They're just dragging stop signs and stuff. So just be careful with that. All right. So love you all. God bless you all. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.